Today I talk about how I think that I will change the world. Okay, I believe that I will change the world by myself doing simple things, and these things I should teach to the little ones. I believe that we need to do something right now. The earth needs us, and if we don't do something, the new generation will pay for it very dearly. I dream that one day every people will have the opportunity to plant a tree. And when time passes, have the opportunity to see how this tree grows and see the fruits and the shape that this tree brings us. And thanks for the earth that beautiful and amazing experience. Uh, okay, and another way, if everyone recycled and started saving resources like water, for example, doing things like taking short showers, closing the can when we brush our teeth, or collecting rainwater to wash the car or the cycle, or for water plants, or things like saving light. For example, when we're turning off the light and disconnecting charger that we don't need. Or for example, when we charge our car with a college, we college for go work or using public transport. All that things can do a better world. Okay, another way I can change someone's world is by donating, give blood and organs. If I donated blood, I can save the life of someone who's losing blood from now on. When I'm done with my organs, I want to give them to someone else a second shot at life. This is a way to give people who are sick a second chance. There are many potential recipients who still have hope, and want one day to be able to be the life of those people. I believe that that this part include things that I do with myself and with my career. This part is very important. I need to learn to be patient, careful in the way that I say the things. I need to be empathic. I need to learn to put me in each other's shoes. I need to learn to listen the things that people and animals say to me, not only with words. I want to teach for all the people that when we get to a place, say hello and make a good face to all the people, because we don't know what happens in people's lives, and a single life and a single smile can be can do a better day for the other person. Okay. I want to promote animal assisted therapy because I believe that animals help our body and our soul. Okay. I believe that with my career I can change the world because I am going to work with animals, and animals give us a lot of things. They bring us meat, milk, company, love, amuse us and make us love. Okay. Working as a veterinarian, I will try to understand what animals feel, if they have animal welfare, if they feel pain, and if they are sick, I'll try to heal them. Animals don't have a voice, so they need us to defend them, respect them, and take care of them. Okay, with Colombia's production animals, there is still much to do. We could continue to take Temple Grandis ideas to produce more with more animal welfare. Okay, I want to cure chronic pains where I can need help to the patient with techniques such as acupuncture, physical therapy, and others. This is possible. I want to uh, give for these animals a second chance, but without pain. Okay, I continue. To make the world a better place to live, I would like to promote campaigns for people to adopt dogs, cats, and I don't know, and horses and all the animals that can live in a house and needed a home. I believe that animals deserve to be loved and have a family to love. Pets, pets teach us to love, to respect, not to look at appearance. They give us everything of it. If you give them a chance, they will become part of your family. They will become your best friend. Okay, and I want to finish with a phrase that says, a dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. Thank you for your attention. Bye.